Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G to OPPO device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both devices and click on the search bar. Following that, you need to type Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Over here, we need to select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. Then we need to select Send on OPPO Pro over here and Receive on this OPPO device. Following that, choose all of those dots on this OPPO Pro and select Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will click only on this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, select this scanning icon on OPPO device, click while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, clicking on Images in my case and looking for Send Anywhere section, like this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!